Are you in need of a high-quality, reliable polymer for your adhesive projects? Look no further. Pearlstick and Pearlbond TPUs for adhesives have been trusted by formulators, professionals, and enthusiasts alike for several decades to deliver best-in-class polymers. Pearlstick TPU is not just any polymer series for adhesives. It is a name that has been synonymous in the adhesives industry with quality, durability, and innovation for over 5 decades in footwear, vehicle interiors, and furniture. Our team of dedicated scientists perfected the formulation of Pearlstick TPU, combining cutting-edge polymer technology with years of expertise to create a material for adhesives that excels in performance and reliability. Coming from a strong legacy of specialties for solvent-based adhesives since the 1970s, the best performance to adhesive products comes with Pearlstick's polycaprolactone series, which has a low melting point in the crystalline zone so it can be softened at low temperatures, achieving high green strength adhesion. With easy activation, high hydrolysis resistance, and optimized hot tack and peel, it is an unbeatable solution for adhesives. Pearlbond TPU for hot melt adhesives, or HMAs, and reactive hot melts expands the breadth of our adhesive solutions. HMAs made with Pearlbond TPU are solvent-free, emission-free, and plasticizer-free. Pearlbond TPU's versatile formulation ensures strong and long-lasting bonds on a wide range of materials. Thanks to its diverse benefits, such as a broad activation temperature, Pearlbond TPU brings the flexibility to join endless types of materials together to take innovative new product designs to market with an improved adhesion to flexible substrates and rigid substrates like PVC or ABS. Lower activation temperatures mean lower energy consumption and costs. What else makes Pearlbond TPU the go-to choice for adhesive solutions? The bond it creates is incredibly strong and can withstand even the toughest conditions, featuring high softness even at cold temperatures. And unlike conventional solutions for HMAs, Pearlbond TPU delivers high temperature and washing resistance and good absorption of vibrations impact reduction, excellent elasticity, and some Pearlbond TPU specialties can be breathable or color stable. Our most recent product introduction, Pearlbond Eco 590 HMS TPU, is also suitable for extrusion and has 59% bio-based content certified according to ASTM D6866. Whether you are working on footwear, furniture, textiles, electronics, transportation, or industrial parts, Pearlbond and Pearlstick TPUs are the perfect connections for your adhesive needs.